Try this useful expression, 朝食, which you will often hear in homes, hotels, restaurants, and travel conversations. The word 朝食 means the meal eaten in the morning, the first meal of the day, and the term commonly used on menus or hotel offerings to indicate breakfast. The first kanji means morning and points to the time of day when things begin. You can see it in asagohan, which means breakfast, where the kanji gives the idea of the morning meal. You also find it in asahi, where it literally evokes the morning sun. The second kanji means to eat or food and shows up in many eating-related words. For example, taberu is the basic verb to eat, with the kanji giving the action of eating. Another common word is shokudo, a place for meals, where the kanji signals food and dining. I eat breakfast. 私は朝食を食べる。私は朝食を食べる。I will skip breakfast today. ポーは朝食も抜きます。ポーは朝食も抜きます。This hotel includes breakfast. このホテルは朝食付きです。このホテルは朝食付きです。Today's breakfast menu is bread. 今日の朝食メニューはパンです。今日の朝食メニューはパンです。The most common synonyms of the 朝食 are 朝ごはん. Asagohan is more casual and used in everyday speech, while 朝食 sounds more formal or appears on menus and in written contexts. The most common antonyms of the 朝食 are 昼食 and 夕食. 昼食 refers to the midday meal and 夕食 to the evening meal, so they differ by the time of day.